So my name is Shea Tyler. I'm here in Lake Havasu, Arizona. This isn't my home. This is where I'm rehabbing. 2 weeks ago, you can see the scar here. I got an even worse one on the back of the neck. Um, single layer fusion and a double layer decompression. It was physically strangling my spinal cord. Um, as an industrial electrician by trade, I couldn't work anymore. Luckily, I had good friends that got me into a QC position. I was able to keep working for a little while, put a little money in the bank before I was going to be strapped for cash after this surgery. Um, that came across the drone boss and watch their information they give you, and I liked what I saw. Ended up paying to come to the 3-day live class, the drone command live, and I wouldn't trade it for anything. Just the marketing information these guys are giving us. I mean, I'm not ready. I can't. Gonna have to go back to work, get a drone, um, and before I can even join the group for more training and more support, because what they're offering for support is hands down a high value item. Um, yeah, I mean, a couple of great guys. The whole staff, they've been on top of it. They've been doing amazing, trying to keep it flowing, keeping the information going, the pertinent information we need, and any information we're asking. You know, very thorough information. They have the statistics to show what they're saying is works. They have a great marketing program if you follow the steps that can, yeah, it's a drone. This is their industry is drone, but I mean, looking at these are basic marketing strategies that would help any business owner. Um, so one day I might sit in on a Diego lecture and pay for a straight up sales lecture. You know, definitely would see the value in it after seeing what he's given us in this course. Well worth the price. Like I said, I wouldn't trade it for anything. But I realize I can't be in the field for the rest of my career. I want to be able to walk when I'm 60, 65. And at the rate I'm going with my spine and the condition it's in, that's not going to happen. So go back to work for a little while, get the cash, get going, side hustle this, and then when I'm ready to step out, and this program helped me, and I believe that.